2026, the world is on the brink. The economic foundations that have supported our lives for decades are crumbling. An unexpected crisis is unfolding before us. It's not just about oil, it's about everything that depends on it. The global oil shortage is the spark, and the fire it ignites will change everything we thought we knew about the world economy. But there's a silver lining for those who understand the game. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 economic crisis, exploring how the oil shortage will trigger a chain reaction that will affect everything from your daily life to global trade. But here's the real question: how can you capitalize on this crisis? Let's start with the basics. The world has been operating in a financial ecosystem dependent on cheap and abundant energy, primarily oil. From transportation to manufacturing, agriculture to energy production, oil has been the lifeblood of global economies. But in 2026, the world is facing a crisis in supply. This isn't just about paying more at the pump. This is about an entire system grinding to a halt. Major oil-producing countries are facing geopolitical tensions, while climate change and environmental policies are pushing for reduced oil consumption. The result? A severe shortage of oil. Global demand has skyrocketed, but supply is dwindling. This imbalance is like throwing a match into a volatile situation. Now let's zoom out. This shortage isn't just about fuel prices, it's about global supply chains that are built around cheap oil. From the food you eat to the products you buy, almost everything relies on oil for transportation and production. With less oil, costs increase, leading to mass inflation. This means prices for goods and services will skyrocket. Imagine paying double for groceries, your commute costing 3 times more. The price of everything will go up. But inflation is just the tip of the iceberg. The real storm is coming from the global financial markets. Once oil prices spike, the ripple effect will spread to the global financial system. The central banks, which have been printing money at an alarming rate, will no longer be able to keep up. Hyperinflation will set in. But here's the kicker. When governments and banks panic, they will turn to the people, to you, for the solutions. This is where the smart money comes in. While the majority of people are scrambling to survive, those who understand the financial game will thrive. The wealthy know that in every crisis there are massive opportunities. They just need to know where to look. As we move into 2026, the question is, how can you take advantage of this situation? First, let's talk about investing in hard assets. While most people will be holding onto their cash, the wise will be investing in tangible things that hold value during times of inflation. Gold, silver, and real estate are your best friends. Let's take real estate. In a time of crisis, many people will be desperate to sell their properties, fearing the worst. This is your chance to buy valuable assets at a fraction of the price. Imagine being able to buy prime real estate in a struggling economy with prices significantly lowered. And don't forget about digital assets. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often seen as a hedge against inflation. As fiat currencies lose value, digital currencies like Bitcoin are poised to become more valuable. The key here is timing. By understanding when to enter and exit the market, you can not only protect your wealth, but increase it exponentially. But it's not just about buying assets, it's about having the mindset of a wealth builder. When everyone else is panicking, the intelligent businessman is thinking one step ahead. He's asking, where can I provide value in this crisis? In times of crisis, entrepreneurship becomes even more critical. People will need solutions. Innovative ways to deal with the changing landscape. Whether it's a new energy-efficient technology, sustainable farming practices, or a global logistics system that adapts to oil shortages, there's money to be made by creating value in an uncertain world. Finally, let's talk about personal preparation. Beyond investments and entrepreneurship, you need to take care of your own financial house, reduce your debt. Build a safety net of cash. Diversify your income streams. The coming crisis will test your resilience, but if you've prepared yourself mentally, financially, and emotionally, you'll not only survive, you'll emerge stronger. The 2026 economic crisis is coming, but remember, crisis creates opportunity for those who are prepared. Be the person who looks at the chaos and sees possibility instead of panic. The world will change, but with the right knowledge, mindset, and strategy, you can make it work for you. Remember, the 2026 crisis may change everything, but how you respond is what will shape your future.